Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So if you want to add Google account, firstly what you have to do is to open settings, then go to the account section, then tap add account, then select Google. Of course you will need internet connection to add Google account. So firstly what you will have to do is to enter your email or phone number here. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select, then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And then just tap accept here. And after that, account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap remove account. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.